This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Nongshim Shin Ramyun spicy chicken flavor noodles. I bought these at my local Globus the other day, and it has been a while since I have prepared instant noodles at my place myself, so today is the day to change that. The frozen package all around looks okay. Let's take a quick look at the nutrition table right here. Pause if you want to read that. Pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list in English, German, Dutch or in French. Yes, we have got instant noodles, spicy chicken flavor. Looks alright so far. Let us open this up and see what it is like on the inside. I don't remember ever having Korean style instant noodles. Just preparing them myself. All by myself, I should say. These are the noodles. They look like, well, instant noodles, but they look different from the ones that I've had last time around. Scent-wise, they smell like the instant noodles, but a bit fatty, a bit greasy. What's else? What's in the package? We have got the Shin Ramyun flakes, and then we have the seasoning pera. Yeah, let's open this up real quick, see what this smells of. I'm going to follow the preparation instructions, of course, but I want to have a quick sniff on camera. Looks like it seems to be yellowish scent-wise. Reminds me of curry. Yeah, reminds me of curry and maybe chicken broth. What is this smelling of? Let's take a quick sniff test. This smells of generic dried spices, but nothing in particular. Reminds me of parsley, the flakes. Maybe it's not parsley at all. Anyway, let's see, what am I supposed to do here? I'm supposed to add the noodles and the contents of the sachets to 500 milliliters of boiling water, cook for 4.5 minutes, stir well, and then I'll serve it to myself. Okay, I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you and the fully prepared product in just a second. The spicy chicken flavor noodles are now prepared and I have transferred them into this Pyrex glass bowl. Scent-wise, they smell quite alright. They are still very, very hot though, not just flavor-wise, but also thermally. I do not know how people eat these sort of noodles. I feel like there's an unwritten rule that you have to burn your mouth at least 5 times before you can actually consume any substantial amounts of food. But I'm trying to be a bit careful with that today, because that's something I really don't enjoy about having these sort of dishes. But maybe that's just me, maybe I'm just a bit spatial. Now, scent-wise, I just said it smells alright. It does have almost like a curry style scent to it. Surprising. It's a bit different than the usual ramen that I have out of these packets, these instant noodles. So let us eat this Italian pasta style and upset a few people that now scream at their screen, "Oh, we Italians don't eat the noodles with the spoon. That's you stupid Germans." But I don't care. I don't care. Let's go for the first fork full of Shin Ramyun spicy chicken flavor noodles. Oh wow, they really are spicy. Very decent temperature when I'm careful, like I'm demonstrating here. Quite spicy. I guess they also have a lot more spicy stuff. I tried the, what are they called? These like 2 times spicy bulldog or whatever they're called noodles. I wanted to do one of these videos where you get a huge bowl of them and then you film yourself eating them, and I wanted to get rich and famous with such a video, but I started recording it and I wasn't very happy about that. It was just pure pain. It was torture. It wasn't fun. They ended up not eating all of that, which made me feel very sad. A lot of wasted food, but those are lethal. I don't know how you can eat them. It's masochism, I think. Now, but these here seem to be seem to be all right. Have I? No, I have not splashed some Shin Ramyun spicy chicken flavor sauce. Well, broth on the camera lens. No, flavor-wise, very spicy, very nice. Not bad though. Good amount of spicy. Quite oily, but overall flavor-wise, it seems like a nice spicy, normal hot instant noodle soup that we have here. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised by this. The texture of the noodles is a bit different than the last instant noodles and the last instant ramen I had. These ones here seem to be a bit more springy. It's a bit more like elastic, a bit more gummy-like. Not in a bad way though. They look a bit different. Flavor-wise, I guess they're just as neutral as their counterpart. But yeah, texture-wise, springiness-wise, they're quite alright. Yeah. Let's see what this is. This is a chicken flavor piece. Let's see. Could be some sort of freeze-dried meat that is now reconstituted, not to its original texture. But I've got actually absolutely no idea. Can be something like that, but I don't know. I don't know what any of these pieces here are supposed to resemble, other than the green stuff here. I guess that used to be a proper leaf, like a part of one. And then some chili flakes, I guess, are here as well. But yeah, flavor-wise, it is quite hot. I usually don't eat very hot stuff. I like a bit of hot sauce, a bit of Tabasco on some dishes. I don't put too much on it though. I really enjoyed the Chipotle Tabasco recently. Such a lovely flavor. I've never had that before. It was weird to get used to at first, but now I love it. And I also like the arrabbiata sauces from Barilla, for example, these Italian pasta sauces. And this one here slots right in there. It's not too much spice, hotness, and not too little. Very, very nice so far. So I think I'm going to eat this now, slowly and carefully, in order not to properly burn my mouth now. And I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. The consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. Overall, I'm content with these particular noodles. First impression wise, they left a pretty decent first impression. Nothing looked bad about them. Scent wise, they were okay too. Color wise, same story here. Nothing was off color in any way, shape or form, and these sort of fake chicken pieces, at least in color, were somewhat similar to that. Consistency and texture wise, I'm giving 1 out of 2 available points. While I did like the consistency of the soup and the noodles themselves, I was a bit disappointed by these sort of weird texturized fake chicken, soy protein, wheat gluten thingies there. For my liking, you could just completely leave them out of the whole thing. Doesn't really add anything to it, and yeah, just call it, I don't know, spicy chicken broth with noodles or something. I'm not a huge fan of these sort of fake meat thingies. At least give us some bigger pieces, maybe bigger tofu pieces. That would be actually more of a welcome addition to this particular thing. It's not about the tofu, it's the ridiculousness that is supposed to resemble this, which it doesn't and didn't. Flavor-wise, I'm giving 3 out of 5 available points because it was decently spicy for someone like me who is not into self-harm too much. Flavor-wise, yeah, it reminded me somewhat of chicken, the broth, and the other things were flavor-wise fine as well. It was quite homogeneous in flavor. The only thing giving some texture were these sort of dried, then kind of reconstituted spice pieces, leaf cuttings, and fake chicken meat, soy protein thingies. But flavor-wise, overall, I don't have much to complain about it. I enjoyed the flavor of this. Bigger tofu pieces would be nice as an accompaniment to the flavor that is already there. Thematization-wise, I'm giving half out of 1 available point because it looked nothing like this except for the color. And in total, we therefore end up with a 6.5 out of 10 for the Shin Ramyun spicy chicken flavor noodles from Nongshim. Yes, Nongshim. Yeah, overall, very decent instant noodles. I liked them. They were not as bad in spiciness as some of the like high-tier self-harm noodles that you can get all over the place. When those things start to turn red in the packaging, then you know you're in a bad spot, I guess. For me, this is really the limit of what I need in instant noodles. I don't need more spiciness than this, to be honest. But if you need more than that, please let me know in the comment section down below. If there is something that you want me to try. Something I can say is that I'm not very keen on trying the 2 times spicy noodles again. I've tried to make a video about that once, but halfway through I just lost interest in making a video about it. It just wasn't fun at all. And on that, I think it is now time to end. If you have got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.